Howdy and welcome back. So in this video, we're going to implement an add vertex function so that we're able to add vertices to our graph representation. So let's say we want to begin building out our graph representation by adding, let's see here, 6 vertices to it. Let's say, the string representations of what we're going to add, it's going to be purple, blue, red, yellow, orange, green. I mean, we could have built this up with vertex of things other than colors, perhaps names of people to denote. So we could build up relationships between those people through edges. But colors, I think, just provides a more way to kind of visualize this. So we can see here, we have this thing out there kind of floating around, this vertex purple. It's going to actually be stored within our map. So that graph, it's going to be a key, which is going to effectively map to an empty standard library list of strings. Now, keep in mind that the reason why that list is going to be empty is because we're just adding the vertex to our collection of vertices. We are doing nothing with edges at this point. So how is that function going to look? Let's pop over to VS Code and look at my implementation. So the name of the function is going to be add vertex. It's not going to return anything. It will be demarcated void. And it's going to have a single parameter here. It's going to be vertex, which is going to be a reference to a standard library string, and that is going to be const. So it's going to be passed by reference to const. So coming over here, to save you all from watching me type these out, I'm going to go ahead and open up the work I already have done here. So in our definition, the first thing we're going to want to do is ensure that all of our vertices are unique. So we're going to check whether the map graph contains a key value named vertex. If it does, we will throw a runtime error, which will effectively say whatever argument is bound to our parameter vertex, we'll go ahead and concatenate that with is already in the graph. Now, if the graph does not contain the vertex, we will go ahead and insert that as a pair to our map. So this will, in the initializer brace, first argument here, vertex, second is going to be effectively a call to the standard library list for the concrete type standard library strings default constructor. This will create a new entry in the graph with vertex mapping to an empty standard library list of string. And since we're adding to our graph, we will go ahead and increment number of vertices by 1. So that's all there is to it with this. And we'll now consider how we could begin forming relationships between the vertices comprising our graph. But before I do, just one more thing. You'll notice here that the linter we're presently using is complaining about the contains behavior for the standard library map. This was introduced in C++ 20. So the linter is not recognizing it, but if you were to come over here and open up the terminal window and compile, it will compile down to an executable. So as you're implementing your solution to perhaps a machine problem, using our IDE, if you're seeing this complaint, you can just go ahead and ignore it. So moving onward.